So today's the day that I finally do it. I'm cutting my hair once and for all. I haven't got my hair cut in about 3 years. Since 2015, I cut my hair pretty short. Today, I also plan on getting my hair cut pretty short. It always scares me cutting my hair because I have a very round face and a very small face. So sometimes certain short haircuts I just feel like don't look right on me and I'm just like, ugh. So I'm going to a new person. I'm in Hamilton, so I'm going to a place called Infinity Salon and Boutique. The girl that's going to be cutting my hair, she's actually another blogger. She's on Instagram. So that's how I found her. She also does hair and I really like what she does. This is why I'm cutting my hair. As you guys can see, like, look. This is all that I have left at the end. This is the front of my hair. I've been trying to grow out my hair, I guess you could say. Last year around this time I was taking sugar bear hair and vitamins to try to get my hair to grow in better or differently. I don't know, just for it to be more healthier. But I'm going for a very Selena Gomez look, you could say. Selena Gomez has a similar face shape as me. She has chunky cheeks, small face, and yeah, it's kind of weird going inside with the camera. So yeah, I will see you guys once I'm inside. Oh, fun fact, if you guys want to hear something funny about me, so as I was walking out the house with all my kids and I had Nathan's bag, my bag, I literally fell. I missed the step outside my house and I ripped my pants. I had no time to change because it's like 4 minutes before my appointment right now. So now I'm about to walk in here with this big ass hole in my pants. And my knees are burning. That sounds really bad, but yeah. The sensation that I'm feeling, like, damn, it's really been a long time since I scraped my knees. And I'm just like, how did I do that? How? But yeah, that was just a little fun story about today. So this is the place that I'm going to. Here's a before of my hair. As you guys can see, the ends were so damaged, and by my face, my hair is just very, very thin. Mind you, I haven't had layers in years. I stopped getting layers back in high school because I noticed how thin my hair was getting. It's just a trend as I've gotten older. So let's see what it looks like after. So, by the way, this is Brooke. Sorry I didn't get to introduce her, but we kind of just got started talking and whatnot, and plus people got appointments after. So, yeah, she actually cut my hair really fast. I was surprised how fast it took, but that's probably because I haven't got my hair cut in so long. I forgot what it's like to get my hair cut by a professional and not me trying to cut my own damn hair. Anyway, yeah, I just went for the picture that I showed you guys, the Selena Gomez inspired look. I think next I definitely want to color my hair. I love my dark hair, but I need some like color to it. I haven't dyed my hair in years, so let me know what you guys think, what color I should dye it next. By the way, I feel like I look exactly like my mother now. So one more time, I just want to show you guys the back, how unhealthy it was before, and then here is the after. It looks so healthy, so much better. I'm so happy with it. And then here is the side. And yeah, I'm really happy with the results. Thank you, Brooke, for cutting my hair. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh my god, I feel so much different. Right?